Good day everyone. Today I will introduce several important art movements and painting techniques along with Van artists and their simple work. First, naturalism. An important artist is Gorgeous de la Torre, known for the painted Magdalene, a painting that uses glare lighting and realistic detail. Next is Humanism. This movement focuses on human thought and learning. Raphael's School of Athens is a perfect example that celebrates knowledge and reason. For fresco painting, we look at Michelangelo that tribute money. This artwork is painted on wheat plaster and uses soft natural colors. Tempera painting is represented by Fra Angelico. His work, Annunciation, shows cleanliness, gentle shapes, and calm balanced composition. In oil painting, Rembrandt's The Night Watch stands out. It uses deep shadows and warm tones to create dramatic effect. Moving on to Expressionism, Ferry Augusti, Renoir's Dance at Le Moulin de la Gentle captures bright light and soft weak brush strokes that show lively everyday scenes. For Post-Expressionism, Paul Casanese's Monsanti Victory highlights strong color blocks and solid shapes, showing a more structured style. Cubism is represented by George Brockie, with violin and candlestick, where objects are broken into geometric shapes. In Fauvism, Andre Derien's Charging Crossbridge uses bold, bright, and expressive colors to show emotion rather than realism. Expressionism can be seen in Ernst Ludwig Kirchner's Street Berlin, which uses sharp form and intense mood to express inner feelings. Next is Dadaism, shown through Hannah Hodge cut with the kitchen knife, a collage that uses strong contrast to challenge traditional art. For Surrealism, René Magritte's The Son of Man uses dreamlike and unusual image to make viewers think deeper. Finally, pop art is represented by Roy Lichtenstein's Wham, a work that uses comic style dots and bright flat colors. That's all, and thank you for watching.